Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the runway extension at the Sangster International Airport. Now the construction work on the runway is actually finished. So the runway is finished, it's not commissioned yet, meaning its planes aren't using this section of the runway yet, but the actual construction work is finished. So what happened here is that the runway was extended from 2,600 meters to a little over 3,000 meters. Here you can see a plane landing, and we're at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. This is the busiest airport in Jamaica, and it's also the largest airport in Jamaica. I mean, you'll be amazed at how many planes take off and land in 10 minutes. Every time I come out here, I am just in awe of how busy this airport is. And 85% of all the tourists that come into Jamaica come in through this airport. So that's why every effort is being made to upgrade it. So some 70 million US is being spent to upgrade this airport. 34 million went into the extension or the expansion of the runway. And they're doing other stuff like fixing up the terminals, doing work around the airport, the shoreline. So it's definitely coming along nicely. Now this project was done by Landgen Aviation, a company out of Ireland in the UK. And it's actually on schedule. It was scheduled to finish by summer this year, and as you can see, the runway is finished. I think it just needs to be painted, and that's it. They haven't had the official opening yet, and as I said, the runway isn't commissioned yet, but the physical construction part is finished. So they're putting in 2 RESA areas as the runway extension safety area. And that is to give the planes more space in case they overshoot or undershoot the runway. And it's just a matter of time before this airport is going to need a second runway. It is so busy, but that's probably in the future. So right there now is where the old runway ends that you're looking at, and the new runway starts. Or sorry, not the new runway, the extension section of the runway. And those are the terminals all the way to the right. The gateways, I should say. The tarmac. So right there, what you can see the plastic cone separating the extended part from the active part. And if you notice, there are no construction vehicles on the runway anymore in this section of the airport. They're all on the outside of the airport. They're doing some work on the outside. I think they're clearing trees. I asked and they said no construction is going on at the outside on basically the outskirts of the runway. They said they're not building anything, they're just clearing away the trees. One thing I noticed is that all the planes take off and land starting at the other end of the runway. So I don't know if with the extension, if they're going to start landing and from this section, this side, the left side. I've noticed all the planes take off and land on the other end of the airport. So basically they come in from the section on the right and land and then go to the tarmac, and then when they're ready to take off, they go to that side of the airport and take off. So maybe, I'm not sure if with the extension they're going to start landing from this side. Maybe that's why they're clearing away the trees. If anybody knows why that is, let us know. You can leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, we're just giving you an update today on the finished runway. And we will keep you guys updated as to when it's commissioned and when they have the grand opening. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We give you update videos every 2 weeks on all the major developments in Jamaica. And for the smaller developments, we give you updates every month. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. This is White House Road that we're driving on, and when we were around the corner, you'll see where they're clearing the space, the trees. There's nothing is going to be built there. They're just clearing it, and you can see all the construction equipment on the outside of the airport now. So because of the clearing that's going on here, this is why I was wondering if planes are going to start landing from this side. See, this is the outside of the airport now. And you see they're clearing away all the trees and everything out here. There you can see everything being cleared. So if anybody knows why they're doing this, and if they plan to have planes land from this side of the runway, let us know. You can leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.